Hi and welcome to the Minecraft family channel. This is Tyra. Today I have an unboxing of one of the biggest paintings that I've ever had in my house. I think it is the biggest painting. This painting is a partial and it's of my favorite Alibaba seller, and it's 2 meters and 26 centimeters and 90 centimeters high. So and it's heavy, like, yeah. So let's try and dig into it. I took you out into the kitchen because I couldn't fit it on the kitchen or my table into in my craft room. So yeah, I thought that I would just unbox it out here. So this is humongous, to be quite honest, and as you can see, it is a farmhouse set at the sea, or a little yeah, it's a farmhouse at it's a river, I can see, and there's another one, and there's some people here, and in the background we have some mountains and the sun setting, and yeah, pretty colors. So let's try and see if I can get it out of its box. It's not easy. So it's really heavy. Not to complain, but it's really heavy. So let's get into it, see what we've got. So here we have the canvas, a huge canvas, drills, and I see special drills, and I see, what do I see more? Lots of Aurora Borealis. Oh, there's a lot of them. I see 4. Oh, happy. And then I have the boat with, these are my favorite pens. I've just started working with them. They're such a good quality. I thought that I got them off Diamond Art Club. I didn't. These are the best quality pens that I've ever worked with, and I'm not kidding. I don't know what this silver thing is, but it just makes them more sturdy. So definitely a thumbs up for the pens. Then we have these bags. This time it's a huge one, quite understandable. And another bag. And in here a set of tweezers as well. So let's get into it. I'm just going to set this down and then spread this out. Oh, it's so big that they had to put the this is funny though. So, oh god, oh my god, what have I done? I can't even get it spread out. So I'm just going to take you with me because you can't see one thing, but it's a beautiful painting though. So I'm sorry for the glare. Perhaps I should just, no, you can't see this. So this is the canvas, and here we have the house with the entrance. Oh, it's bent a more. I thought it was a bit small. Yeah. So so here we have it all out. So here, let's start from one end. So here is the house, and we move downwards, and here we have the river, and lots of water coming through. And then here we have the other side of the river with a garden and a garden path, and the 2 small figures here who's walking along. And then we have this beautiful forest. So the only thing that you don't do is up here, and then some of the background and the sun. So it's a huge canvas, and there's going to be a lot of work to do. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really happy about this one. So let's try and see here. One moment. Sorry, I just had to show the family what I bought, and they're saying, see you next year. So yeah, but have you ever seen anything as beautiful as this? It's breathtaking. Oh my God, of the other world thing. I am so amazed. So I'm going to also send a picture to Heidi, just to make her from diamond painting with Orchid. I don't even know her channel name. That's really bad of me, but I'm going to link her below so you can find her. She has also bought from the store, but she's bought some completely different paintings from me. We don't have the same taste, so look at her videos as well as mine, because hers is going to be as exciting. So let's turn this around and see. Oh yeah, let's take you down, have a look at the drills. I don't think there's many colors in it. I think there's only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 33, 36, 40, 45, 48 colors, so that's pretty good anyway, isn't it? So yeah, I'm going to just stop again and rearrange this. So yeah. Hi, and I'm back. I've just laid out all the drills belonging to the painting, and as you can see, lots of different colors here. There are some special ones. There's these special small butterflies and some roses and some other roses which are supposed to go down. And then I have all these green colors, and up here oranges and pinks and pale pinks and so on. And then we have brown, blue, and some grays. And then up here there's a lot of AB drills. There's this very dark, what is it? Is it dark purple or something? And then there's this white creamish color, a yellow one, and a orange one, really bright red one, again a white one, and finally this really amazing green one. So a lot of colors belonging to this painting. I'm really pleased with that one. It's going to take me a year or two to do. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, ask below and I will answer your questions. And if you want this painting, you need to contact the store directly. So and she's good at helping you. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video.